This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about push pops, specifically these plastic push-up cake pop shooters. So this is a fun twist you can use to serve cake, right? These come in two different styles. You can see the heart-shaped and our classic round. The heart-shaped is a 4-ounce size and the round is 5 ounces, making these great kind of individual portions for a single person, right? And they have that kind of classic push pop design, right? You'll see there's that nice little insert and plunger in there in each one. And each of these also has a nice little lid, meaning it's easy to assemble your little push pops, snap on the lid, right, and pack them up so that they're ready to go. And this is a great little twist on service, especially for cake and dessert, in that it requires no forks and no plates. So it's dessert ready to go, be passed out to everyone, and they just have to push up and enjoy, right? They come in 100 counts, right? So it's the actual pops and the lids together. And they're perfect for layering up things like little layers of cake with frosting, fillings, sprinkle, custard, whipped cream. You could even use little layers of brownie in there to make an endless number of permutations of different customizable desserts and creations. And since these little pops are clear, you also get that beautiful presentation of those lovely different layers in all of those colors. And kind of, it's a nice way to tempt people with what's in store when they can see all those beautiful layers together in these. So these are a fun, festive way to present dessert, right? So they're great for weddings, parties, events, birthdays, etc. And it's a nice little twist on just the classic slice of cake in a fun way to present it.